Hello and welcome everyone. So how you can download Ubuntu 25.04? Okay, so this is the latest version of Ubuntu. Okay, so how you can download it? Okay, so open the Chrome browser or any other browser you want to use. Okay, so open it and search here Ubuntu download. Okay, so when you search the Ubuntu download, the first link will appear here. Okay, so click on first link. Okay, now you can see here, slide down a little bit and you can see Ubuntu 25.4. Okay, so this is the latest version. You can see the description here, the latest version of Ubuntu operating system for desktop and laptop PC. Ubuntu 25.4 comes with 9 months security and maintenance updates until the January. Okay, January 26. Okay, and you can see also that Ubuntu 24.4. Okay, so this version is the LTS, long term support. Okay, this is the latest version, and um, you can say that this is the latest version and it's upcoming version. Okay, so it's upcoming version. So how you can download it? So click here and download, or you can go with the other. So I'm downloading the Intel AMD 64-bit architecture. So click on download. So I have click on download and it will ask me where I want to download. Okay, so I'll give the location where I want to download it. Okay, here. Okay, so just save it and it will start downloading. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, so wait for 15 or 20 minutes, it will download. Okay, so thank you for being here and I'll see you in the next video. Thank